And we're going to be talking about aspirations today. We're going to be talking about how aspirations lead to ascension. They lead to growth, how goals lead to growth. And at my heart, I'm an artist. At my heart, I believe in the power of words. At my heart, I believe that words change everything. All you got to do is hear the right word. You got to hear that right message, and it can change everything. One call hooked the two of us up. And she's going to tell you a little bit about that later. But you could hear one message, and that one message can be transformative. You can never be the same. So I believe in the power of words. I believe that what you say to yourself matters. What you say to others matters. The things that you write down matter. You should be writing your goals down. There's a reason it's called spelling. Spells are magic. And I'm not talking about no black magic. I'm talking about when you write that thing down, you make it real. You make it powerful. You make it something that can't be erased, something that can't be forgotten. And so words are powerful. Words can change history. Words have changed history. And we're going to be talking about all the words in this room. We got comedy, we got music, we got poetry. All of that is words. Words that touch our soul, words that touch our mind, words that make us look at life differently. It's just powerful. And give the gift of lift. Lift people up. Lift people up so when they look at your shirt, they look at your mug, they get an inspiring message. They're lifted.